this thing off. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are gonna make cupcakes. Okay, the ingredients are here. Oh, this will be delicious. I just know it. Oh wow, that is a lot. Alright. Oh my god, I have to put 4 fingers in this time with scissors.
Masyado, got your fingers. Put it down. Okay.
It's so hard to stretch it because it's so big. I'm just gonna have to do it like that. That was easy. Oh, it smells like vanilla. So good. Vanilla's my favorite. What is your favorite ice cream flavor? Mine's vanilla. And I'm glad this is vanilla. Oh, it's making a mess. Now we're gonna put the 3 eggies. Hi, eggs. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I feel so weird when it falls out. Okay, it's all checked. Now we will put this. Wait. Oh well, that looks satisfying. Now the water. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be exciting. Okay, what next? Mix. My craziest part with these, what number?
Doesn't matter. Just turn it on.
That made a mess. It even got on the phone. The good thing it did not go on the camera. 4. I'm doing a pattern. 6. 7. 2. Now we are gonna put this in the oven. After the 20 minutes in the oven, the muffins are, drumroll, ready. Ella is gonna be here. Now it's frosting time. Okay, Ella can have some of that. I think that's too little frosting for all of those cupcakes. The raspberry. Okay, it's time to try it. Here you go, Ella. Have a bite. Here, Ella. So good. I'll try a raspberry with chocolate. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Bye bye.